Hey, it's James the Unofficial Mayor of Cowboy Country. Got a short video for you. I want to show you some updates on some construction projects that are going on. This is picture number one. That's Vanderbilt. If you'll notice by looking at that, and then picture number two, they're working on both end zones at the same time. Not the greatest idea, but I guess they're very eager to get stuff done. Picture number three is Texas Tech. They are working on Jones AT&T Stadium, and I'd say at least half of the frame is now done for the new football operations building. Picture number four is unusual because I didn't know about this. I don't know much about it. Apparently, I'll put it right here. Picture number four. This is an area between Jack Trice Stadium and Hilton Coliseum at Iowa State. Apparently they want to put some kind of, I don't know what the building on the left is for. I think the buildings on the right in the picture are for possible student housing, maybe for the student athletes, which would make sense. I mean, the football players and the basketball players definitely, putting them closer to the facilities would make life a lot easier. I don't know. I'll have to do more research on it. Picture number five, obviously they just broke ground, so there's not a whole lot of progress going on, but we'll see what happens. But won't be any content tomorrow. I am getting married, got some food to pick up, got a lot of stuff to do before the wedding, going to be busy during the wedding, and hopefully after the wedding. So, if you are new, please hit like and subscribe. If you know other sports fans, please tell them about the channel. It would definitely help. And even if you're already subscribed, please hit the like button. It will help the channel to grow. So, I do want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all. We're this close to 500, so if you know other sports fans, by all means, tell them about this channel. So, thank you for watching, and as always, go Pokes. Bye.